Hello, young sir. Yes, you. How do you get your beard so soft and shiny? Okay, I don't really care. I've heard rumours that you make your own beard balm at home. Is that true? Would you like to share your recipe with us? Then shut up and get on with it, you buffoon.
I'm using approximately 10 grams of beeswax here, but you can use more if you want a firmer hold, or less if you want the balm to act more like a conditioner. For the shea butter you only need 1 tablespoon, and it helps nourish and moisturise the hair and the hair follicles, which will reduce breakages and split ends. Now for the coconut oil you want about 3 teaspoons here, and it's another great moisturiser, but it will also combat inflammation and dandruff, or beardruff as we like to call it. Now I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of jojoba oil, but you can use an alternative carrier oil if you like, such as argan, avocado or castor oil, which all have different properties, but I personally find jojoba is a really good conditioner and makes my beard feel really soft. For the essential oil you want about 10 to 15 drops here. I'm using a blended mix which has peppermint, lemon, tea tree and eucalyptus in it, but this is your chance to become a crazy scientist and experiment with each new batch. Now heat a saucepan to a medium boil and plonk the thing on top and just let it melt away. You can give it a bit of encouragement like I'm doing here to speed up the process. And once it's a fine liquid you can pour it into your container. This makes 2 ounces by the way, be careful because it's super hot. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell thing. So once that's poured in, then you can leave it at room temperature or put it in the fridge for a few hours until it solidifies, and then your finished article should look like this. Ooh, the suspense. By all means feel free to deviate from my recipe. You could have more or less of the shea butter, coconut oil or the beeswax. It's whatever works for you, so just go crazy. And then when you're done, melt it into the palm of your hands, put it on your beard and look amazing like these people. Mysterious, sexy, mature. Yeah, I'm digging that. That's amazing. And that's my favourite. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, look after yourselves and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.